Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanif Faturrahman. I'm from PB2 class and my name number is 21205063. Okay, in this video I'll be read about earthquake in Cianjur. Meteorological Agency, Climatology and Geophysics, or BMKG, asks people in Cianjur Regency, West Java to be aware of future disasters in the form of landslides and flash floods after the 5.6 magnitude earthquake. This moderate earthquake can cause severe damage to buildings and the environment for four reasons. First, it is related to the epicenter of the earthquake at the time and the area on the slope. 1. The epicenter of the earthquakes is below 10 km, so that the energy is stronger to shake the surface. 2. The topological area of the mountain slopes is not a stable area. When an earthquake hits, it can trigger landslide to occur, he explained. Another reason is related to the soil, which is weltering of young volcanic deposits. Lastly, relate the buildings that are not earthquake resistant. 3. The soil originates from the weathering of young volcanic deposits which haven't been consolidated enough so that the earthquake's energy doesn't immediately disappear but stirs up and even strengthens on the surface. And 4. Building construction is not earthquake resistant like most houses are built in the village area, said Owang. Dwi Korita said that many of the fatalities in the Cianjur earthquake were caused by failing buildings that were unable to withstand the shaking. For information, West Java Governor Ridwan Kamil confirmed that there were 162 victims who died and 326 were injured due to the Cianjur earthquake. Okay, I think this is enough for me. Sorry for the mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.